This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. The mountains are calling. Sit back and relax in this low-maintenance, custom-built 3-bed/2-bath ranch-style home. Sits on a gentle knoll surrounded by over 9 acres of woods that backs up to Forest Service land. And there is at least one spring on the property. Home has nice great room. Island with breakfast bar, several pocket doors, jacuzzi tub in master bath, all one-level living, hall bath opens to hallway and the laundry room, wood vaulted ceilings, and custom stone gas log fireplace for those chilly mountain nights. Concrete board siding for low maintenance. Unrestricted land, so do what you want. Paved road frontage. Some furnishings negotiable. For more information, review